Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to talk about retrofitting a 2023 Lexus RX vehicle. And there's no door closers. Regular standard locks. If the door is not closed tightly, you have to slam it. But we will change that and install door closer locks. The craftsmen have already removed one standard lock. This is what he looks like. And he's no longer needed. We'll give these 4 to the owner. And we'll install these. As you can see, they are eidetic. Everything is exactly the same. But here we have a tether, a geared motor. Inside the door of each we install a gear motor. Installing the lock. Visually, nothing changes. But you get a door closer. And before they install the map, I'll show you inside. This is where the gear motor is. Locked him in, cable and lock. Everything's in place. We can close now. Moving on to the next door. It's done, it's packed. Let's open the door, a little push. And we see that the door closer is smooth, quiet, fast enough. Pulls the door to the full stop. We install door closers on many vehicles. So contact our company.